Alright, welcome to my channel, Shadrach Online Mathematics. This is where we make mathematics look very simple, very understandable, and then very relatable. This is a WAEC 2026 optional questions in the theory. The question is much, so I didn't write all the question, but I will explain how I got these figures I have here. Then we'll move on to the solution of the question. So according to the question, there's a particular bowl, and that bowl has three marbles. The three marbles are red, green, and black. Now, the question said that the number of red marbles in the bowl is 3 more than the number of green marbles. And continue to say that the number of black marbles is 1 less than the number of green marbles. This states that the number of red and black marbles all what take their number or reference from where? From green marbles. So that's why I said let the number of green marbles equals what? M. Because it is with respect to green that black and red marbles were gotten. So now, that's why I said what? Let number of green marbles equals n. So, if red marbles is 3 more than the green marbles, then red marbles will be what? N plus 3. And if black marbles are 1 less than number of green marbles, that's why I wrote what? N minus 1 here. Now the question continues to say that if the probability of picking a black marble is 1/4, find the number of each color of marbles. And then the B passes the probability that a marble drawn at random from the bowl is not black. So let's look at the solution. So now we have 3 marbles, red, green, and black. How many green? N. How many red? N plus 3. How many black? N plus 1. So the total marbles is equal to what? M plus N plus 3 plus M minus 1. Now this will give us what? 3M plus 3 minus 1. That gives us what? 3M plus 2. 3M plus 2. So this is the number of marbles in the bowl. That's the total number of marbles in the bowl. But the question says probability of picking a black marble is 1/4. So how do we get the probability of picking a black marble? So the probability of picking a black marble is the number of black marbles in the bag divided by the total number of marbles in the bag. So probability into bracket black marble is equal to what? Number of black marbles, which is what? N minus 1 over total number of marbles, 3M plus 2. This is the probability of picking what? A black marble. But the question already says that what? Probability of picking a black marble is what? 1/4. So this implies that 1/4 is equal to what? M minus 1 over what? 3M plus 2. So if you cross multiply, this gives us 3M plus 2 equals 4 into bracket M minus 1. Alright, so this gives us what? 3M plus 2 equals 4M minus 4. So if you collect like this, this gives us what? 4M minus 3M. equals 2 plus 4. This implies that m is equal to what? 6. It means that we have what? 6 green marbles in the bowl. So let's answer the first part of the question. Find the what? Number of each color of what? Marble. So therefore, green marbles is equal to 6. Red marbles is equal to 6. That's m plus 3 and m is 6. So 6 plus 3 is what? 9. And then black marbles is equal to what? M minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, that gives us what? 5. So therefore, total marbles is equal to 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So we have 20 marbles in the bowl. 20 marbles. So that's the first part of the question. Now the B part of the question says what? Find the probability that a marble drawn at random from the bowl is not black. Now what's the probability that a marble drawn from the back is what? Black. 1/4. So probability marble not black is equal to what? 1 minus probability of what? Black marble. Pardon me, there's no space there. I know, and I don't want to leave the question. Okay, so this gives us what? 1 minus what? 1/4. This is equal to what? 3/4. So therefore, the probability that a marble drawn at random from the bowl is not black is what? Is 3/4. And then the colors of the bowls, of the marbles are green 6, red 9, and black 5. I hope you enjoy my lesson. It's very simple, right? Probability is all about thinking. You just have to think, that's all. So thank you for watching. Please like and share so that others can see the good work I'm doing.